Hi, my name is Thomas Chen. I'm with Stylus, and today I'm going to introduce you to our Stylus camera kit. In Stylus, we've innovated a unique kind of smartphone case. We believe this will pioneer a new category in today's market. We call this the multifunctional smartphone case. Most products in the market provide a one-to-one solution, meaning they find one problem and they solve that one problem. This product only solves one problem of having a better lens on your camera. They focused on one solution, but all other issues are neglected. You can't use this product with a screen protector or a phone case. You sacrifice phone protection for your camera. This isn't a very sophisticated solution. The everyday person needs multiple functions, so this is very frustrating. With our case, we can solve multiple problems within a single case. You can quickly and easily switch between functions depending on your current needs, and everything is compatible, so no sacrifices have to be made. The unique part of our Stylus case is the innovative disc mount system. You can remove the disc on the back to reveal an attachment mount. With this attachment mount, you can add different types of functionality to your smartphone case. To give you a better idea of our product, I'm going to show you our Stylus case for the iPhone 6. Just as a case alone, it has a very classic look with a functional kickstand, but the real beauty comes when you remove the disc and open up the case to a world of possibilities. You can now use different attachments on our case, like the Revolver lens that gives you 4 different lens options to use with your smartphone camera. In a very compact and lightweight design, we squeezed in an interchangeable lens system that gives you a CPL filter, fisheye lens, wide-angle lens, and macro lens. When the lenses aren't in use, the Revolver case protects the lenses. Another attachment we have developed is an LED ring light that gives you exceptional lighting for your smartphone. We also have a solution for the high-end market. Our cases have a built-in mount where you can attach our new series of prime lenses. We really love seeing the pictures that people are taking with our lens, and we know that they're enjoying it because it's a blast to use. Our products aren't just centered around photography. We are creating different attachments to fit in your everyday life. We want your smartphone case to be a new platform to add lots of different types of functionality to make your life more convenient.